If you are a dog owner, you will eventually need to take your four-legged friend out of the house and into the car for a cruise. Whether it's taking your usual daily trip to the dog park or traveling long distance to the cottage, you could probably benefit from brushing up on your doggy driving etiquette. With the help from the professionals at Houston Dodge Dealer, we have compiled a list of tips and tricks to make driving with your dog safe and stress-free while keeping the inside of your car clean. 1. First things first, prepare your vehicle. Preparing your vehicle before you begin driving with your puppy or some other pet is as essential as preparing your home before bringing a pet home out of the blue. Similarly, as you would need to have a dish, water and sustenance for your pet in the house, your car ought to be outfitted with those things just in the event that Bella needs support. It can likewise be useful to have a bed or cover to enable them to get settled and loose. Likewise, keep a toy or two in the car. In the event that doggy has the greater part of similar things in the car that it is in your home, they will in the long run begin to see the vehicle as an expansion of the home. 2. Train your dog to like the car. Indeed, this is conceivable. Similarly, as Pavlov showed his puppies to connect a shriek with sustenance, you can prepare your puppy to connect the car with great things. Rather than just taking your canine in the car while going to unpleasant spots like the vet or groomers, make it a point to drive to places it can connect with sustenance, treats, friendship or play. You can begin with excursions to the canine stop or strolling trail. Another thought is to drive to an adjacent companion or relative's home, and have somebody holding up with a treat and a lot of gut rubs. Before doing any of this, however, you can begin gradually by basically enabling your canine to invest some energy in the car while stopped in the carport with the engine off, obviously, to keep away from carbon monoxide harming. That way they can get settled with the vehicle inside the well-being of your home and without the additional stressor of development. 3. Make sure your dog is secure. Much the same as you wouldn't need your family or companions to ride without a safety belt, it's risky to drive with your pet unsecured. There are a wide range of strategies for securing your pup contingent upon the sort of car you have and the measure of your pet. Bridles that append to your car's current safety belts can be found in an assortment of styles and sizes, permitting either the passenger or back seats to securely suit your pet. In the event that you have a bigger puppy and drive a hatchback, SUV or minivan, you can decide on a door that isolates the cargo cove from whatever is left of the vehicle. Your pet will be securely contained while as yet having the capacity to see you and move around in the cargo zone. 4. Keep your windows rolled up. Pretty much everybody knows about the banality picture of a glad puppy riding in the car, take off of the window and the breeze blowing back its tongue and ears. Shockingly, what many individuals don't understand that, notwithstanding putting them in danger of being hit by something, having their takeoff can at last be awful for their well-being. The surge of air can negatively affect a puppy's respiratory framework, even at moderately low speeds. It's alright to leave the windows open a split so your puppy can even now appreciate some natural air and the majority of the energizing new notices you'll experience on the road without having the capacity to stick their take or entire nose off. 5. Find locations to take breaks. Long car outings can be a prepare not only for you or some other human passenger, yet in addition for our canine allies. Short breaks en route will furnish them with an opportunity to extend, run and play. Master tip: before you leave, locate the most delightful woodland trails or pooch neighborly rest regions where your puppy can get out and run, and to offer a lot of water at each break. 6. Don't leave your dog in the car. You needn't bother with insights to realize that puppies bite the dust in hot cars. You wouldn't leave your tyke in the car with no water on a 100-degree day, so why treat your do any another way? What's more, the way that pooches have hide puts them at a significantly higher danger of heat stroke. In the driving rain, they will solidify regardless of their hide, so the best and most brilliant thing you can do on to a great degree hot or icy days is to keep your pet at home where it can stay agreeable.